This channel is earning $45,000 every month. Why? Because AI-generated videos are already beating the algorithm and outperforming traditional content. The problem is that most people don't realize they can do the same. You don't need to be a professional editor or have any prior experience. AI is making it easier than ever to create viral content and earn money on YouTube. A few years ago, going viral with your first video was nearly impossible. But today, thanks to AI, you can achieve success from your very first upload. If you follow the principles I'm about to share, your chances of getting more views and growing your channel will skyrocket. Take this channel, for example. It was created just 7 months ago, and today, it has over 461,000 subscribers. Some of its videos have gained more than 21 million views. The best part? Creating videos like this is incredibly simple. You can do it too. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to replicate this strategy, launch your own automated YouTube channel, and start earning money. You don't need any special skills, a degree, or prior experience. I'll walk you through everything step by step. If you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube channel and make viral videos, let's get started. Step 1. Generate video ideas with AI first. Open YouTube and take a screenshot of a successful AI-generated YouTube channel you'd like to model. Then, tell ChatGPT that you want to create a similar video. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 15 unique image prompts and even a complete video script for you. Step 2. Create stunning AI-generated images. Now that we're diving into the world of AI, let's explore one of the most powerful AI platforms, Endless.io. This site is completely free. Just sign up and start using its incredible features at no cost. In Endless.io, click here to generate amazing AI images. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompts, and paste them into Endless.io. Choose your preferred style. I personally go for 3D style images because they look professional and eye-catching. But you can also try realistic, cinematic, painting style, and more. Once you enter the prompts, Endless.io will generate stunning, high-quality images in seconds. Now, generate all the images you need and download them. Why choose Endless.io? It gives 100 free image credits, much more generous than other AI platforms. The images are high quality and realistic, perfect for YouTube content. It's fast and easy, requiring no prior skills to create professional visuals. Step 3. Generate professional AI voiceovers. To create high-quality voiceovers for free, go to ChatGPT and copy your video script. Then, paste it into Endless.io's text-to-speech tool. This tool offers various realistic AI voices, including male, female, and even different accents or tones. Choose the one that fits your video style best, then download the professional-sounding voiceover. Step 4. Convert images into videos with AI now. We need to turn our AI-generated images into a video. For this, we'll use Luma AI, a powerful image-to-video converter. Go to Luma AI's image-to-video tool, upload your AI-generated images, copy a relevant prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Luma AI. Click Generate, and within seconds, your video clip will be ready to download. Step 5. Edit and finalize your video. Now that we have our video clips and voiceover, it's time to put everything together. I am using Premiere Pro. You can use Premiere Pro, CapCut, or any video editor you prefer. Open your editor and import all the video clips and audio we have generated. Sync video clips and audio with the narration. Add transitions so that video looks smooth and professional. After this, add engaging background music to make the video more dynamic. Now add caption to video BQs. Adding captions is small trick significantly boosts viewer retention and engagement. Step 6. Final review and upload before exporting. Watch your video carefully to ensure everything is flawless. Check for proper order of clips, smooth transitions and effects, clear voiceover sync. Once everything looks perfect, export the final video. To maximize views, do the following before uploading. Write a compelling title with keywords. Create a detailed description with relevant hashtags. Design an eye-catching thumbnail. This is crucial for attracting clicks. If you found this method useful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future content. That's it for today. Good luck with your YouTube journey.
A puppy is playing an intense game on his iPad, paws tapping furiously. Suddenly, he loses. In a moment of rage, he smashes his iPad on the table. Crack! The screen shatters, and he gasps in horror. His owner walks in, staring at the broken iPad. The puppy nervously picks up the pieces, trying to fix them with tape. But it's too late. Punishment is coming.